Ladies and gentlemen, how to clean the sliding basement window is pretty much easy as long as you know what you're doing. So the first thing, you have to know what is sliding window. That's the sliding window basically when you have both sashes sliding, and in some cases in basement windows only one sash slides, the other one is stationary. But in here we got both of them operational. So let's go ahead and see how to clean these basement windows that get dirty, all the time because they are so low to the ground, or maybe in the basement well, or anything like that. Okay, let's go ahead and do it. So the thing is, so we have both sashes operational, so it's pretty much easy. You just unlock the sash, and first thing, you remove this sash like this. Here you go, look at that, piece of cake. And now you can do your cleaning of this sash of the window from the inside of your basement. So that one as well is operational. So right here, you do like this. So how I did it, I just pushed it all the way to the top, and then you wiggle a little bit and you remove the second sash. Okay, so now once you're done cleaning, so you have to do in reverse. The first sash is gonna go into the first track right here. That's the one we removed as the second one, So let's go ahead and try to put it back. And still, you just push it in. Here you go. The first one is in. And that one is easier, usually pretty much easy, so it slides like that. And here we go, piece of cake. I hope it's helpful. I'll see you next time.